Tired of limiting your eBay sales to just your country? International shipping can be a huge headache for sellers, especially dealing with high costs and complicated logistics, but don't worry. There's a solution: US parcel forwarding. This video will guide you on how to leverage US parcel forwarding to sell your items to American buyers, opening up a whole new market for your eBay business. Let's dive in. Step 1. Choose a reputable US parcel forwarding service. Research different options and compare their pricing, services, and customer reviews. Key factors to consider are storage time, consolidation options, and shipping rates to your country. Step 2. Sign up for your chosen service. You'll receive a unique US shipping address. This is where your eBay buyers will send their purchases. Step 3. Update your eBay listings. In your item location, use the US address provided by your parcel forwarding service. This is crucial so your items appear to US buyers. Step 4. When a buyer purchases your item, they'll ship it to your US address. The parcel forwarding service receives the package and notifies you. Step 5. Consolidation is key. Once you have multiple items at your US address, use the parcel forwarding service to combine them into a single shipment. This dramatically reduces your international shipping costs. Step 6. Choose your shipping method and pay for international shipping. The parcel forwarding service will handle the customs forms and ship the consolidated package to your address. That's it. By using a US parcel forwarding service, you can easily sell on eBay to US customers, streamline your shipping logistics, and boost your sales. Good luck.